Welcome to your Infotech channel. So in this video, we will learn some cheat codes using Visual Studio in HTML. Okay, let me share my VS Code. So here we can create a new file. Now I can say this demo2.html. So once we can create this HTML. So I already explained in previous video like how to create a skeleton by using VS Code. So this is a shortcut for creating this HTML skeleton. Now we will see here. So first to creating a child and sibling in HTML. Okay, so how to create this? So basically in general, if you want to create these child elements, basically we can write here nav items inside of nav. Again, you can create this UL and ELI, and again you can create this anchor tag. So here you can place some text. So like this, we need to create in basic in HTML. Okay, now we'll use this cheat code for this to creating child elements. So first for the child elements, so if you want to create a nav bar, you can write here now, and this is a child selector. Okay, and UL. Okay, so in that, let me take here ELI. Okay, so once I can click on this enter, so automatically it will create a code here. Okay, so next we'll create a sibling here. Sibling in the sense immediately the next following elements. So how to create a next following elements with the cheat codes? Okay, sibling in HTML using cheat codes. So here, so suppose in div. Okay, so for the div, I can place some paragraph. Okay, so here div p. Okay, so after that plus, okay, I need one more paragraph here. Just click on this enter. See, we can create these two paragraphs inside of this div. So we need to create here. Okay, so immediately the next following elements we need to create. Okay, so instead of child selector, we can create here plus div plus p. Okay, so how many paragraphs you need, you can write here like this. See, so we can create a div. So after the div, we can create the two paragraphs here. So inside of div, we can place some text. Okay, so instead of placing this text, you can write here a lorem. Okay, lorem, and how many words you want. Suppose you need 7 words, you can click on this enter. So we can place 7 words. So here, if you want to place 15 words, you can write here lorem 15. So if you want to place here lorem, okay, 20, we can place here. So like this, we can place a text inside of this, and we can create this sibling here. Okay, and if you want to create some block quotes, okay, here you can also write here div. Okay, so for the paragraph you can write p, and for the block quote we have a alias name bq. Okay, so once you can click on this enter, so you can create here div p and